Good morning, good morning. It's snowing again. Chickadee. Yeah. Why do you two always find it necessary to have to be in the trough to eat? You're tall enough to eat. Like Anna's eating. They're crazy, aren't they, Lucy? Is that good, Pigo? Come on, Dolly. Let's go eat. Come on. Oh my goodness, look at all you all. Oh, y'all feisty this morning. Could you be more jealous? Wow, it's your puppies. Hey, puppies. Hey, puppies. Listen at them. Well, the snow's back. We're frozen again. That was one nice day of some thawness. Now it's back to the white fluffy stuff and hard ground. It might suck, but it sure is prettier than mud. Especially the old barn. I love it. All right, Daisy, let's go get warm. Indeed. Y'all stay warm. Enjoy your breakfast. Fluff butts. How you doing, Gannies? How you doing? Enjoy breakfast, goats. Yeah, look at y'all. Mr. Turkey's smart. He knows what the food is. See you later, albino guinea. Okay, chores are complete. I'm gonna go warm up and then go down the store and start packaging some orders. There's some surprises in there, some new stock stuff, so go check it out. TheStyversHomestead.com. We love ya. What you doing, little kitty? What you doing, little kitty?